Hello students, in this video we will continue with the chapter direct and inverse variation. Let's solve some questions related to inverse variation. Question number 1. Uday can finish a book in 25 days if he reads 18 pages every day. How many days will he take to finish it if he reads 15 pages every day? So we have to find out the number of days he will take to finish the book if he reads 15 pages every day. So we will let the number of days he will take to finish the book is X days. So let number of days he will take to finish the book, that is equal to X days. Now let's complete the table. Two quantities, number of days and number of pages he reads every day. That is number of days and number of pages. So in 20, if he reads 18 pages, then he can finish in 25 days. 25 days. Now here number of pages given here, you have to find out the number of days, that is equal to X value. Now if he reads more pages, he can finish it in lesser number of days. That's why it is a case of inverse variation. So therefore this is a case of inverse variation. In inverse variation, we know that x into y is equal to a constant. So, therefore, x into y is equal to a k. Therefore, we can write 25 into 18 is equal to x into 15. So, x is equal to 25 into 18 divided by 15. That is equal to 30 days. So he will take 30 days to finish the book if he reads 15 pages every day. Let's discuss another question. A garrison of 120 men has provision for 30 days. At the end of 5 days, 5 more men join them. How many days can they sustain on the remaining provision? Now here let the number of days is equal to x. We have to let that. Now in question it is written that at the end of 5 days. So after 5 days means now how many days are left? 25 days. So number of days left, 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. Again it is written that 5 more men join them. So what is the number of men in the camp now? Number of men in the camp now, that is equal to 120 plus 5 is equal to 125. Now let's make the table here. The quantity, number of men and number of days. Number of men and number of days. Now 120 men. Here now number of days are not 30, it is 25 days. Because it is written that at the end of 5 days. The number of days left is 25. Now number of men are 125. The days you have to find out. So we note that more is the number of men, the less will be the number of days the provision will last for. Therefore, it is a case of inverse variation. Therefore, it is a case of inverse variation. We know that inverse variation, x into y is equal to constant. Therefore, 120 into 25 is equal to 125 into x. So x is equal to 120 into 25 divided by 125. So 24 answer, that means the provision will last for 24 days. Therefore the provision will last for 24 days. Next, time and work, time and distance. As you know that amount of work done by a person varies directly with the time taken by him or her to complete it. Next, number of persons performing a particular work varies inversely with the time taken by them. Number of person and time, they vary inversely. Next, speed of moving body and distance traveled by it in a particular time vary directly with each other. Speed and distance, they vary directly. Speed of moving body and time taken to cover a particular distance vary inversely. Speed and time vary inversely with each other. Next, distance traveled and time taken by a moving body, speed remaining constant, vary directly. Distance traveled and time, they vary directly with each other. So the problems on time and work as well as time and distance can be solved using the concepts of direct and inverse variation. In solving some problems of time and distance, the relation between speed, distance and time is of great importance. So these formulas you have to remember. Speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to speed into time. We will discuss about this in next video. This is your homework for today, worksheet 2, question number 4 to 12. And that's all for today. Thank you.